unhinged recruiter trying to give me major FOMO. Hey, so and so, forwarded your text message. Are you waiting for a counteroffer response from your boss? It's best that we're totally transparent with each other. I've already received a counteroffer last week. It's just a difficult situation to decide on right away. I apologize for the delay. That's a no-brainer, my friend. You accept and you'll get fired or quit within 12 months. 85% of people do if you've shown your hand to the current company. You might as well have quit already. They know you went out and interviewed while employed for them. No matter what they tell you, the trust is broken. You're a smart guy. You have to see it from their perspective. They're probably already talking to HR about activating a search to replace you. I've been doing this for 18 years. Every person who takes a counter comes back to us a few months later looking for work. It's career suicide. You know how to run a Google search about counter offers. I don't need to tell you all this. You already know blank values you at $87,000 guaranteed. You have to bring an offer from another company for your current company to reward you. They should have already done that, right? I haven't said a word to blank about this, and I won't even tell him you contemplated. You're still walking in fresh and ready to go. Untarnished reputation. The sky's the limit. You're marked for replacement now at your current shop. Every time you call in sick or miss a meeting or take a vacation day, they're wondering, is he interviewing again? Will he leave us? Should we invest more time and effort into him or someone else? You know how this plays out. Hey, I really appreciate all the help on this, but I will be staying at my current company. Maybe you're right, but I'm willing to take the chance to stay where I am for the moment being. I apologize for the indecision and wasting your time. Again, thank you and blank for helping me out. I hope it does not come back to bite me. All the best. So yeah, I mean, now those are some things that people say as truths. People say those as truths that never get a counter offer or never take a counter offer, uh, never renege on an offer and go back to your current employer. Those are things that people say. And while I'd say that it could be true for a lot of people, I wouldn't say it's a universal truth. And it really kind of depends on how you know your company and what your relationship with your current employer is. And sometimes it's just worth it to get some leverage and get paid more. So, hey, I I can't say that it's a 100% truth, but this recruiter kind of went, I think, in my opinion, a little bit overboard with their comments. They could have communicated that a lot quicker. Seems like they were a little bit desperate to fill the role or really trying to, entice this person, and they came across pretty aggressive. So, yeah, you could communicate that a lot more succinctly than that. Let's see the top comments. This is a case of hard sell evolving into borderline psychotic fever pitch. Uh, my former manager, amazing guy, amazing manager, used to say, you can determine if a message or email comes from emotions by its length. It's quite weird to see such an emotional response from the recruiter. Yeah, yeah. So I mean, the recruiter doesn't necessarily represent the company unless they're maybe an employee of the company, but that's not a really good reflection on them. And I don't blame you for, after that, maybe being even more assured in your decision not to work for that company.
I'm miscommunicating. I just made a pilot, then they threw me on the stations. Nah, I'm not complaining, nah, I'm not complaining. My thoughts get complicated, I cannot explain in lameness. Never losing focus because I ain't chasing payments. Still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the stage.